Here one question always it will be arise in your mind. What is that question means? In case of pyrols are told that it is going to be occur at the second position. But in case of pyrazole he told that it is going to be occur at the fourth position. And at the same time nitrogen it will be act like a electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group. Then why in case of pyrrole it is going to be occur at the second position? That generally one question it will be arise in our mind. You might be observing in case of pyrrole and pyrazole, the structure it will be vary. Pyrrole having the one heteroatom, pyrazole having the two heteroatoms. Then another thing is that in case of this pyrrole, the pair of electrons are present and it will be sharing the aromaticity. It will be sharing the aromaticity. At the same time here in this case also it will be having the pair of electrons. But the problem is that it will be having the one more nitrogen. What it is having? One more nitrogen. This nitrogen, second nitrogen particularly, it is going to be destabilizes the ring. What it is going to be do? Destabilizes the ring. Destabilizes the ring in the sense that it is going to get the positive charge on the nitrogen. Where it is going to get? Nitrogen. Nitrogen already it will be having the electrons, pair of electrons. If the same nitrogen it is going to be get the positive charge means it is having the negative charge. No, pair of electron means negative charge. The positive charge will be come and it will be present here means it is very difficult because that is going to be destabilize the ring more. What we observed in case of resonance structure of the pyrazoles. Resonance structure of the pyrazoles. But in the easy way you have to be remember means what is that indicate here? The when it will be having the one nitrogen, that is the pair of electron. The pair of electron also present inside of the ring and it will be sharing in the aromaticity. Sharing the aromaticity. It means what here? This nitrogen, when it will be having the single nitrogen, it will be producing the positive inductive effect. What type of effect?
Positive inductive.
Inductive effect means what? Electron withdrawing effect or electron donating effect. Pulling the electron or pushing the electrons. Pulling the electrons or pushing the electrons. Negative means always it will be taking away the electrons. But in case of positive it is giving the electrons. One is taking away, another one is the giving. But when it will be having the single nitrogen, it produces the positive inductive effect means instead of withdrawing the electron, it donates the electron. What it will be do? Donates the electron. Due to the resonance effect, it is going to donate the electron. When it will be donate the electron, you might be know either these positions. If you go clockwise, this is the second position. Anti-clockwise. If you go clockwise, this is the second position. Other side, okay, it might be occur this side or it might be occur this side because both the positions are the second position only. But it will be occur only at one position. Either you have to be think clockwise, either you have to be think the anti-clockwise, not both the directions. If I will be go anti-clockwise, this will become the second position. This is the first, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth and this is the fifth. What I told, when the single nitrogen is present, instead of withdrawing the electron, instead of negative inductive effect, what it will be produces? Positive inductive effect. What it will be produces? Positive inductive effect. Positive inductive effect means what I told? Donating capacity of the electrons. It is pushing the electrons. It is giving the electrons. It is giving the electrons but not taking away the electrons. That is the reason this nitrogen, it will be going to be push the electron towards the nearby carbon, neighbor carbon present at the second position. Neighbor carbon present at the second position. Due to electron donating effect of this nitrogen, it will be increases the electron density on the second carbon. Electron density on the second carbon. Where the electron density will be increases? Electron density will be increases at the second
Position.
carbon. At the second position. Why means? When it will be having the single nitrogen, it produces the positive inductive effect. What it produces? Positive inductive effect. That's why you might be observed in case of this pyrrole, I wrote the resonance structures. That time resonance structure, how I wrote? Just see, when I wrote the resonance structure, you might be know that on the nitrogen, the positive charge, it is very rarely present on the nitrogen. When the second attack will be takes place, attack at the second position, but the attack at the third position, especially third position, not the fourth position. It won't have any fourth position. If you go from this side, this is the third position. If you go from this side, this is the third position. You can take second or third. This side also second or third. Third position, it producing the positive charge on the nitrogen. When you will be see the resonance structure, at that time you might be know that already it is having the negative charge. It don't like the positive charge. Its positive charge will be come near to this one on this nitrogen, means it will be get destabilized. More destabilization it will be undergoes. That is the reason the attack at especially third position, it is not possible in case of the pyrrole. How it will be, we can prove with the resonance structure. I will write later. Now see, in case of this one pyrazole having how many nitrogens? 2 nitrogens. One having the extra pair of electron. Is it right? One having the extra pair of electron. Another having any extra pair of electron?
No.
They are double bond sharing between this carbon and this nitrogen, but it won't have any extra pair of electron. When the electrophilic substitution will be occur, this second nitrogen, if you think this is the first nitrogen, this will become second. If you think this is the first nitrogen, this will become second. One of the nitrogen, it will be produces the negative inductive effect. What it produces? Negative inductive effect. Negative inductive effect means what?
Pulling.
It is going to be withdraw the electrons. What will be do? Withdraw the electrons. From where it is going to withdraw the electrons? This nitrogen won't have extra pair. From where it is going to be withdraw the electron? Which position? This nitrogen withdraw from which position? Is it second position, this one?
No, sir. Third position, sir.
I given already positions I given. Which is the third position? This is the third position. From where it will be withdraw the electron then?
Third position.
Which position?
Third position.
Why means it won't have the extra pair of electrons. That's why it will be producing the negative inductive effect. Instead of pushing the electron, it is going to pull the electron, take away the electron. Now here this bond, it will be work like this. It is taking the electron. Taking the electron means third position is electron rich or electron deficient? Electron deficient. It is beggar. It will become beggar. One beggar, it will be asked to the another beggar. Electrophile is the another beggar. It needed the electron. It is loses the electron. One loses the electron. What needed the electron? Both they will be having the same situation. Both they are the electron deficient. The electrophile, it is asking, I will come. I will join you, to asking the third carbon. But third carbon, it is telling that I myself am the beggar. I don't have the electron. Whatever the electron I have, I given to the nitrogen. That's why please don't come to me. Then again, same electrophile. It is asking to the fifth position. May I come and join with you? Then this nitrogen, it is saying, whatever the pair of electrons I have, that electrons I given to my neighbor nitrogen, my friend. I given to my neighbor nitrogen. This is happen in case of resonance structure. You might be saw. This is positive or this is positive. It will be get nitrogen. Both the nitrogen positive charge is present. This nitrogen positive charge present means on this nitrogen negative charge is present. On this negative charge present means here positive charge will be present. How it will be means I will write the one more structure. In this case you will come to know how the resonance structure. This is one structure we got. Okay. Positive charge where it is present?
Second
Where
position.
it is present?
Second.
Second position nitrogen. Is it right? Then this nitrogen what it is saying? I am deficient. I am
Deficient.
deficient. That's why it is taking the electron from where?
Third.
From the third carbon. From where it is taking?
Third.
Third carbon. That's why this substitution is highly impossible. Highly
Impossible.
impossible because the withdrawing effect of this nitrogen. One more structure it is going to be produced. You can see. One more resonance structure. This bond it will become here. Now see, like this. When the attack at the third position. Now which nitrogen having the positive charge? First position nitrogen. From where it is going to withdraw the electron? Which position?
Third position.
Opposite means which position that one?
Fifth position.
Fifth position. Which position?
Fifth position.
Fifth position from this. Withdraw the electron. Because it is electron deficient. That's why what it will be indicate? What it will be indicate now? Fifth position as well as the third position. Fifth position as well as the third position. Both they are the electron deficient. How we came to know? By this resonance structure. See the positive charge where is present? On nitrogen. Once it is present at the second nitrogen, another time it is present at the first nitrogen. When it is present in the first nitrogen, it withdraw the electron from the fifth position. Withdraw the electron from the fifth position. When it will be present on the second nitrogen, it withdraw the electron from the
Third position.
which position? Third position. Then what it will be indicate? What it will be indicate? In case of pyrazole, the electrophilic aromatic substitution, it is occur only at which position? Fourth position. It occurs only at the fourth position. Only at fourth position. Why? Why at the fourth position?
Because third and fifth positions are
The
electron deficient.
Third and fifth positions are the electron deficient. Comparatively. How it will be? Compared to the fourth position. Compared to the fourth position. I am not saying that withdrawing effect is there means only from the third. Withdrawing effect it will be there from fourth also. But comparatively, where the withdrawing effect will be more means third position.
Fifth position.
And this means fifth position. That's why the electrophilic aromatic substitution only occurred, electrophilic aromatic substitution only occur at the fourth position. Only occur at the fourth position. In case of
Pyrazole.
pyrazole. In case of
Pyrazole.
pyrazole. But in case of pyrrole,
Second position.
second position. I will show you. I think you might be understand this. Why it is at the fourth position. Okay. Both the nitrogens, they are one of the nitrogen, they are the beggar. Always they need the electron. That's why they will be shows the negative inductive effect. What type of effect it will be show?
Negative inductive.
Negative means it will be withdraw the electron from the neighbor atom. From the neighbor atom. For this nitrogen, neighbor atom is the fifth position. For this nitrogen, neighbor atom is the third position.
position.
That's why third and fifth positions are the electron deficient. Third and fifth position. In which case? In case of the pyrazole. In case of the pyrazole, they are the electron deficient. Electron deficient. Only rich electron rich at the fourth position because this is the electron rich. Electron rich. That's why electrophilic substitution reaction in case of pyrazole, it only occur at the fourth position. Occur only at the fourth position. Now you can see in case of pyrrole. I will write the resonance structure for the pyrrole. Both the resonance structure I will write. Attack at second position, attack at the third position. No, see, attack at the second position. What type of resonance structure it is going to be produced in case of pyrrole? Just see. Second position electrophilic attack. That hydrogen will comes out, one more hydrogen it will be having. Okay. Then positive charge where it will be present now? Third position. Because this electron given to whom? This electron given to whom? Electrophile.
Electrophile.
Given to whom?
Electrophile.
Electrophile. Okay. That's why it will become electron deficient. Which position?
Third position.
Third position. Okay. Now one more structure it will become from. This electron it will be having pair of electron it will be giving here because here positive charge is present on this carbon. That's why this electron it will be giving to this bond. Now see, here the double bond will be get. Now where will be the positive charge? Fifth position. Fifth position. Now see, next what it will be do? It gives its pair of electron to this position. It give or not?
Yes, sir.
Now next structure you can assume. How many resonance structure it produces? How many?
3.
3 resonance structure. Now we can see at the third position. Same electrophile attacking at the third position. See here what type of resonance structure it is going to be produced. This electron given to whom? Electrophile. Given to whom? Electrophile. That's why the second position becomes. Next what structure will come? Just assume it. Just see. Now any more structure is possible in this case?
No, sir.
This side is sufficient. It is having double bond. Here also it is having double bond. Any chances are there for the movement? No. If it will be move also, if it give this one also, again this structure will come. Same structure will come. It will be roam in between this structure as well as this structure. See, if it will be give its pair of electron to this one, nitrogen get the pair of electron, then the positive charge where it will be present? Second position, like this. It means the resonance it will be remove it in between here, this position and this position only. Any third structure is there like this?
No, sir.
In case of, you can see how many structures it produces?
3.
If it will be get destabilized also, here it is destabilized this one. If it will be get destabilized also, immediately it will become stabilized. Immediately it will become stabilized. How it will become stabilized? How it will become stabilized? By getting the pair of electrons. By getting the pair of electrons. That possibility is there in this case? It is there? It is not there. If it will be stabilized also, immediately destabilized. But here another chance is there. After that, what type of structure it is going to be produced again? This type of structure. It means what it will be indicate here? There is more movement is possible in case of attack at the second position. More movement means more structures. More movement means more structure. More structure, what it will be indicate?
More stable.
More stable. What it will be indicate?
More stable.
That is the reason. It is more stable when attack at the second position. That's why in case of pyrrole, substitution occur only at which position? Second position. Which position?
Second position.
Second position. This is when you will be see the resonance structures. But in the simple language I told that when the pyrrole is there, pyrrole having the extra pair of electron, what it will be having? Extra pair of electron. This extra pair of electron, due to presence of single nitrogen, it produces the positive inductive effect. It means what? It donates the electron to the neighbor atom. Neighbor atom. That is to the second position. That's why electrophilic aromatic substitution, it is going to be occur only at the second position in case of pyrrole. In case of pyrrole. But in case of pyrazole,
Fourth position.
it occurs at the fourth position. It occurs at the fourth position. This position only. Why? Reason I told. Fourth position. This is the second position. Reason I told for this earlier. That is the difference between the pyrrole as well as the pyrazole. Okay. Because why I told repeated this one means 99% students, they will be confused. For the pyrrole also, when they will be listen about the pyrazole, no? When they will be listen about the pyrazole, what they will be think? Nitrogen is electron withdrawing. Electron withdrawing. Withdrawing is possible only in case of pyrazole. Only in case of pyrazole. Due to the extra nitrogen. Due to the extra nitrogen. But that is not possible in case of pyrrole. That is the reason. Pyrrole nitrogen having the electron donating effect, but the pyrazole nitrogen having the electron withdrawing effect. That's why in case of pyrazole, the third and fifth position, no electrophilic aromatic substitution. Only at the fourth position. But in case of pyrrole, only at the second position. Why? Means pyrrole nitrogen, it will be act like electron donating. Electron donating. What type of inductive effect?
Positive
Inductive effect. But the imidazole nitrogen, negative inductive effect. This one having the positive inductive effect. That's why in pyrrole, electrophilic aromatic substitution occur at the second position. In pyrazole, it is occur at the fourth position. I hope this doubt, it might be clear for you. Still anybody have the doubt? Any of you have the doubt? Okay, up to pyrazole it is good. In case of oxazole, what then? In case of oxazole, what? Don't turn the pages, please. Just use the brain. You have little brain, no? Like a chicken brain. That's why the people, they will be say chemistry is very interesting because of this reason only. Malla pages turn chestun jodi amma. In oxazole, where it will be occur? Electrophilic aromatic substitution.
Fourth sir, నాకు తెలుసు.
It means this is the first position, second, third, fourth, fifth. You cannot change the order because it is having the two heteroatoms and it have to be start with the oxygen only. Now where the substitution is going to be occur? Turn chesavu chusavu. Just use the logic. This nitrogen is there. This is the second heteroatom. Is it right?
Yes sir.
This nitrogen having any extra pair of electrons?
No.
No. That's why what type of inductive effect it produces? Positive. Acha.
Negative inductive effect sir.
What type of inductive effect?
With negative sir.
It means it withdraw the electron from where? Which position?
Second position.
Second position. Another position?
Fourth.
Fourth position. Both the position it withdraw the electrons.
అప్పుడు fifth position.
That's why the electrophilic aromatic substitution, it is not going to be occur at the fourth position. Occur only at the fifth position. Only at the
Fifth position.
why? Oxygen is electron rich. Oxygen is what?
Electron rich.
Electron rich. What type of inductive effect it produces? Oxygen.
Positive inductive effect.
Positive inductive effect. What type of effect?
Positive.
Then you might be get one more doubt. It's donating the electron. No sir. It will be donating to second position. It will be donating to the fifth position. Then why not at the second position?
Steric hydrants.
Steric
Hydrants.
hydrants. Steric hindert. It is going to be hide this position. Not only that reason. It giving the electron from one side means another side it is taking the electron. Another side it is taking the
Electron.
Balanced. The another reason is that second position it will be undergo the steric hindrance. Why steric hindrance means it is present in between the oxygen and nitrogen like a sandwich. Like a sandwich in between the oxygen as well as the nitrogen. That's why very difficult to be get substitution at the second position. Substitution at the second position. Fourth position also very difficult. Why means this nitrogen it is withdraw the electron from the fourth position due to the negative inductive effect. What type of effect? Negative inductive effect. That's why the electrophilic substitution it is occur only at the fifth position. Because from the fifth position nobody is withdrawing the electron. It is getting the electron. From where it is getting the electron? Oxygen. Because oxygen it act like a electron donating group. That's why electrophilic aromatic substitution where it will be occur?
At fifth position.
Fifth position in case of oxazole. Fifth position more reactive for the electrophilic aromatic substitution compared to the fourth position. Then compared to the second position. See, second position is least bothering about the electrophilic aromatic substitution. Order also I given, I think so. Now understood why the oxazole occurs at the fifth position. The reason is what? Positive inductive effect of the oxygen. Positive inductive effect of the oxygen. Boys, did you understand or not? At least what is meant by positive inductive effect, what is meant by negative inductive effect. Then what about the thiophene? What about the furan? Thiophene and furan. In the furan where it will be occur you are thinking? Where? There is no doubt. It is the electron donating. That's why it will be occur at the second position. Anti-clockwise this is second. Clockwise this is second. It occur only at the second position. Why it is occur at the second position?
Oxygen is
Then what about thiophene? Thiophene also electron donating only. It also have the two pair of electrons. It is also electron donating. That's why that will be occur at the second position. It means a single heteroatom 5-membered ring, all 5-membered ring. The electrophilic aromatic substitution occur only at the second position. You take pyrrole, you take furan, you can take thiophene. All 5-membered heterocyclic ring with the single heteroatom. The electrophilic aromatic substitution occur only at the second position. You can take furan, you can take thiophene, you can take pyrrole. In all this electrophilic aromatic substitution occur only at second position. What it is going to be occur second position? Electrophilic aromatic substitution. Except 2 heteroatom 5-membered ring. Except 2-membered heteroatom with 5-membered ring. Understand? I think it is clear now. Why the electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction it is occurring the particular position. The entire game, whatever the game it is playing, that is only depending on the electrons. Depending on the electrons. It is electron deficient or electron rich. Because electrophile is the electron deficient. That's why where the electrophilic substitution it is going to be occur, that position should be electron rich. That position should be electron rich. That time only it will be say, see oxygen, furan. Happily it will be expressed this furan. What it will be expressed? My brother electrophile, please come and join. Because already I having the extra electrons. I am more denser, more rich. More rich I am single. I am ready to mingle. With what? Electrophile. But in case of this one it is possible to the second position. Themselves they are fighting. One side is the richer person, another side is the beggar person. Beggar person, he is saying, I need the electron. Don't come at this position. Don't come at this position also, because these two sides belongs to me only. Who saying?
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen. But oxygen what saying? Don't bother about the nitrogen. I am rich. Come and attack at the fifth position. Come at this position. I will help you. I will provide you electron in the form of what? Positive inductive effect. This is very important for the GPAT competitive exams, any competitive exams. That's why I repeated this.